Welcome, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite, and in this video I will show you what to do if your Bluetooth device isn't connecting to your smartphone. First of all, try toggling Bluetooth by swiping your control center down and then toggle your Bluetooth by turning it off and then on again. Next, try to unpair and then repair your Bluetooth device. To do that, tap the arrow icon next to Bluetooth, go to More, and select the information icon next to your Bluetooth device. And then select Forget Device. Wait until it reappears on Available Devices list. Maybe you should restart your Bluetooth device in order for it to reappear on the devices list. Just give it a moment. Let's also try toggling Bluetooth, and once it reappears, just tap on it to pair and tap pair, and then see if the problem is resolved. And if it's not, then try restarting your phone. To restart your phone, you have to press and hold the power button and volume up key at the same time, then swipe the circle to the top to restart your REALME and wait until your device is restarted. And once your device is restarted, give it a moment to start, and swipe down the control center and see if you are connected with your device. If it didn't connect automatically, go to Bluetooth settings and tap on your Bluetooth device to pair with it, to connect to it. And if this didn't resolve your issue, then go to Settings, scroll down to System and Update, and check if your device has any updates to install. To make sure that you see the the most recent updates for your device, swipe down the control center and make sure that you are either connected to Wi-Fi or are using mobile data. And if you do have any updates, then download and install them. You will see the download and install button right here, so just tap on it if you see it, and then wait for your device to download, install the update, and then restart, and then check if this resolved your problem. And the last thing that you can do is reset your Bluetooth settings. To do that, go back to System and Update, then go to Reset Phone and Reset Network and Bluetooth settings, confirm, and after that you will once again have to reconnect to your Bluetooth device by going to Bluetooth menu and wait for your device to reappear on this list. Tap on it and wait until it's paired. Well, for now, let's wait for the notification to appear on the screen. It's taking longer than usual. I think there's some issue. Let's restart the Bluetooth device. Let's enter the pairing mode on it and then tap on it once again. Okay, maybe let's toggle Bluetooth once again. I think this should help. Let's just give it a moment to think. Okay, and once the notification appears on your screen again, tap pair and then wait until your device is connected. And I hope that at this point your problem is resolved, and if this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.